I got him.
Shot him in the eye.
Ow, fuck! One tapped!
Bitch.
God damn, you pushed me out of the way.
Who, me?
Motherfucker.
Whoever was fucking.
I was trying to get him up.
Yeah, I got more ammo. Oh, there's another fucking dickhead. Come here, bitch. Oh.
Where at?
Oh, come here, bitch. Oh, I cut his
Shoot
head
his
off.
little faggot ass.
I cut his head off. Oh, there's another one walking up over here.
Another one, what? Damn.
Don't use all your
Fuck
ammo,
outta here,
goddamn
pussy.
idiot.
I'm not. I just got hello ammo for
You
getting this
just
camp right here.
Shot an easy, dude.
Chilling, bro.
That's a...
Yo, you can sit here.
Yeah. Like, what the fuck?
I still need a spear, bro. How do I make a fucking spear?
Utility knife, duct tape, and 2 sticks.
Utility knife,
We gonna find that shit now?
duct
Then you
tape.
hit the fucking...
How do I get sticks?
You...
Out of your
Pick
Pick
inventory.
them up.
Yeah, bottom right of your fucking inventory thing.
That's if he
Oh,
puts them
somebody
in.
give me another stick.
You go find
Somebody
one.
give me
Put
another
down
stick.
3.
How do I get it?
Here, come here.
Tell Calvin to go get you some.
Come here. I got you a stick right here.
Come on.
I need to make arrows.
Duct tape.
Let me pick up more little rocks.
I'll just carry around my shit.
That big spider web. Holy shit.
I'm going this way to see if we can find that fucking rope gun.
Okay.
Gotta go around the mountain and shit.
I have a decent amount of rope.
And I got left.
I got a dude up there on me.
And I have a hook. Where do you get that bow and arrow, dude? I should make that. Watch this, watch this. I want to use my fucking spear. Bitch.
Oh, you
Bitch.
You
I
stabbed
think he's
me.
dead.
Just want to fuck him up with my stick.
There's a skin pack right here on the ground.
Oh, what?
What the fuck are the skin,
A skin
packs
pouch.
for?
You take and open them. It's like your emergency pack deal.
The fuck do they have in them?
Depends on fucking when you open it. You can
Well,
get fucking
gotta open
duct
it.
tape, energy drinks, food.
Oh, I got wire, coins, and duct tape. I'm just gonna start opening them from now on.
Why I have no fear going down mountains. I'm
Yeah, it kind
like,
of scares me. I watch you do it first, and then I fucking go.
I'm like, yay!
Yay, it works! I did 0 damage when I pulled out my crafting book.
Hey, look, it's a moose.
Where?
I told you.
Alright.
Where?
Oh, bro, what the fuck?
Where?
Kill that bitch.
Oh shit! What the
Damn,
fuck?
that motherfucker gone, dude.
That nigga yeeted.
Damn.
He said, I don't want to smoke, homie.
I'm sneaking up on this motherfucker. And I'm... Oh, bitch.
I was trying to shoot it.
I think I killed it. No, I definitely didn't. Probably follow it, though. Follow
Did we
the
just
blood.
circle around back to the fucking cave, to the fucking rebreather?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, he wasn't dead.
I don't know.
We're going this way. We gotta go around a mountain.
I'm just following Dipskis.
Unlike this little piece of shit bow we're rocking, you take and use a fucking crossbow, it's a one tap anywhere.
Another
on
moose
those.
sitting down over
Well,
here.
fucking one tap this fucking moose real quick. I want his antlers.
Here, bitch. How we all jumped his bitch ass?
Good
Good
jump,
jump,
nerd.
pussy.
We all it's like, yeah, get some.
Give me that fucking dick,
They
bitch.
just talking.
I think I just ate his fucking. I didn't think I just ate his asshole. Like no cap.
Smells like it.
That's fucked.
Fuck, get fucking full already, you fat bitch.
Well, yeah, but I'm fucking trying to
Sounds
gain
like my
health. I need to
character,
gain
dude.
health.
That motherfucker. Kept
Say,
just
how do I
fucking-
regenerate my health bar? How do I do that?
Oliver and Yarrow.
You guys do
Which-
realize you can pick up this meat and make a fire later and cook it on the fire.
How do you do that?
Yeah, but it rottens after so long.
Oh shit! Someone's killing me. Something's killing me, bro.
I know that, but you could have it.
The fuck? Oh fuck, dude. I'm hella
Where'd
low
the
actually.
other- Where'd the other one go?
Find
Right here
some
on the
medicine.
tree.
I got medicine.
Dude, why do I have to
Running
get
after
fucking
it.
sick?
Oh, there it is.
Fuck!
Ah, you bitch.
You ran in front of my arrow.
It's good.
There's more coming on the right.
All right.
There's a group of them. There's like a horde of them fuckers. You see them?
Mm-hmm. There's probably a camp down here if there's that many.
Others.
Let's go fucking get it. I want
Wait,
some
where'd
more
the
meds,
enemy?
dude.
Oh, he's right there.
I got meds if you need some.
I got moments
I
to
just
my
want some
right.
more.
That was weird.
There's another sleeping dude somewhere. Oh, there's a camp right here. Big dude.
Shoot you in the face, bitch.
Fuck his dick. Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Find your
It
ass
wasn't
up.
Charge. Bitch, bitch, bitch,
Fucker.
bitch, bitch. Get fucked. Get fucked, pussy.
I got so much fucking rope.
I got rid. I can't carry anymore.
There's nothing in this fucking camp, bro. This camp's ass.
No, just a lot of rope.
Wish they did a lot of BDSM over here.
Yep, I'd say so.
Whole lot of BDSM.
I mean, they kill
Definitely
anything
is.
that locks on this bitch.
Definitely in this chair. Right here.
I say we go sky, or cliff jumping off this bitch. Into the water.
Hey,
do
how
it.
do you open the fucking those skin packs?
The same
Hey.
way you
Oh, never mind, I
did
see it,
your.
I see it.
Pearson, I got
Your-
more pills for you.
No, I got enough. I just wanted more to replace what I just used.
Damn, I
And if
got-
there was a camp nearby, we might as well just raid that bitch.
I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it.
Pull out your crafting book.
Crafted bow, 2 sticks. What the fuck is that?
I didn't take 0 damage.
Rope?
How do you take out that out?
Get up on the D-pad when you're falling.
Oh, when you're falling.
Yeah.
Okay.
As you're
Hold on,
falling.
guys. I'm about to craft a little bit.
Holy shit, that's a drop, my boy.
I know, you won't take any damage if you have the crafting book out while you fall.
Okay. It won't let me.
There you go.
Okay, I'm still falling though.
Oh, put it back in your pocket.
I see. I figured it out.
I'm down.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I didn't know he was down.
There you go.
Well, I was sleeping.
I gotta take
I
a
wonder
look
why
at
you were
that.
just fucking standing there.
Yeah,
I couldn't move.
Crafted bow, and then duct tape. Oh, that's duct tape.
Oh. And then open.
Anybody up for a swim?
What were we swimming for?
You gotta go around the mountain.
What do you mean go around the mountain?
Do you not see the big old wall that you gotta go around?
There
Hold on
should
a
be
second,
an
Beavers.
opening over here.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna continue what I was doing. I thought I was getting attacked.
Yeah,
No,
it's
you're
right
good.
up here, but I decided to go for a swim. It looked really cool.
I'm opening all my skin pouches. Ooh. Okay.
Trying to open up my hide, bro.
The skin pouches?
I wouldn't open them all up.
Oh.
Once you open so many, your inventory will get full of whatever items are in that pouch.
Okay. Ready, bitch boy?
No, I'm trying to learn how to open it.
You see the gear up in the top? Once you click on it, click it.
Okay.
It'll open it.
And it just says remove. So
Which
I
you
press.
put the pack
No, the
up there.
gear looking thing.
There's a gear that you have to open it with.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
Same way you craft items.
yeah.
got you. Dope,
Maybe
dude.
I'll
I got
start.
some fucking duct tape and some fucking wire, man.
Alright, let's head to them.
Let's go, pussy bitch.
They are far away.
Oh shit, is there a fucking shark in this motherfucker?
No,
Oh.
I just swam all the way.
Dude, I'm about to have to go take a gnarly shit.
Fuck this tree.
We're going on a trip
down the fucking trail.
Damn, you guys are far as fuck behind, boy.
Yeah, I was waiting on him.
So y'all just be going to like one task after the other. I'm trying to like craft some shit, you know, get my shit
Well,
lined up. You know?
When we crafted, didn't be up to date.
You're fast with it. Because you've played it before. I don't know.
I played it for 3
Like
hours.
the hitting the whole gear. Hitting the whole... Yeah, I can tell because you literally only wait to play with McCree, and McCree fucking hardly ever plays, it seems.
That's
He
'cause
said, I
we
played
fucking-
for 3 hours.
That's because we fucking play the storyline instead of just fast play it.
Where did y'all swim to?
To the side over there.
So you see an opening to the woods?
Oh. Oh, you found an opening?
Yeah. Over here.
Fuck, how are we gonna get up that mountain?
Talking
I
to me?
have a lot of rope.
Yeah.
Over here. Follow the trail and it goes up.
No, don't go there. You're not gonna be able to make that.
Yes, sir.
What?
You're getting close. Fucking
Dude
cocksucker.
up here.
Oh, you're barking at us and shit. Dick shit. Fuck.
2 of them.
3, 4.
4.
Fuck, did it go to my fucking desktop?
I think we should all pretend to have COVID next week and just take off of work.
I think I have COVID because I'm sick as a
Fuck
dog
you,
right
bitch.
now. The fuck is
Oh my
that?
god, some crazy bitch just screamed at me.
Yeah, that's why I said fuck you, bitch.
The fuck are wearing armor? Pray for me, you fucking retards.
Ah, fuck.
King Tut! Get your ass beat, bitch. How an ass whooping feels. Ready? Ready for a second ass whooping?
Round 1.
Dude, can we not get a fucking car?
No.
Build one.
The fuck do you think this is? It's a Cannibal Island.
I want a fucking car. At least a bicycle.
I guess then go play NASCAR.
You're a dick. You can actually feel the tip of my dick hitting the back of your throat.
You
And I'd have
ain't
no
playing
remorse
like a
if you
fucking
threw up.
pussy.
I wasn't complaining. I'm just voicing an opinion.
Complaining because you have to run in a game that doesn't even affect your physical body.
Well, his thumb.
My thumb says less.
Yup.
You're playing on a controller like the
I
rest
knew
of
it.
us. You're the
No,
only
he
one
is on
not
a
playing on a
controller.
controller. So now's your thumb hurting. Make it
He's
to where
having to
you
hold down on
toggle
L3.
run. Make it to where you toggle run. Instead of fucking having to hold it. I have it on toggle.
I don't know how to do that.
Go into the
And I
fucking
can't
options.
wait. Your ass is the one over here
Yep,
that
over
can't
here.
fucking wait 2 seconds.
Well, we're at our designation, except for we don't have the shovel, so we can't get do
Who's
this.
Christian?
Might be some rezine.
Who?
Somebody just joined the game.
Yeah,
Oh fuck.
Who?
Probably some random fucker.
I'll kick him.
No, hold on. Get off our server, faggot. How you hear me, bitch? Get off my fucking server.
Who the fuck are you talking to?
Go back to Bitchville.
Alright, how do I make this? You said
How do I get
options
this
and toggle run?
Yeah.
How do I do that?
Go to.
Controls?
This ain't a place for Japs.
Yeah. I think it is control. No, it's not. Wait, yeah, it is. Sprint toggle on. Get your
I
punk
kicked
ass out of here, or I fuck you
I
up.
kicked him.
God damn it, Beavers! Why'd you fucking kick him?
Is that it?
Oh, that's way
Everyone-
nicer on my thumb.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's way nicer.
Beavers, you put it on toggle run?
No, I've just been holding it, but I just don't
I want to
complain
do that.
like that.
That shit hurts.
He
He
my
said
thumb.
I got balls of steel and hands of steel,
Yeah,
motherfucker.
you gonna let him talk about you like that, pussy bitch?
He said your hands are made of bitch.
Yeah. Said you had soft hands. You got soft
never
hands,
worked
Says your
brother.
hands are as soft as a baby's ass.
Never worked a day of your life, baby.
Every day of your goddamn life, boy.
So I'm not seeing. So it's only showing me, button assignments for like.
Jesus
Keyboard.
fucking Christ.
For
You don't
keyboard.
go all the way to the
Oh,
bottom.
I see it. I see it. I
Fucking
see it. I'm sorry. I
motherfuckers.
was scrolled too far. I'm sorry. Oh,
I'll be back.
gotta take a shit.
85 hours a motherfucking day. I'm on my goddamn grind.
Oh, God, fuck.
It's so much nicer on the thumb.
Yeah,
And I'm
soft
keeping
hands,
it-
brother.
So,
Boy, you got all
what-
hands, boy. 85 hours a motherfucking day.
Oh, I didn't fire.
Better drink some water while you're here.
I'm fucking falling down the damn river.
It doesn't do it for me, but it does it for you and fucking the creek. I don't know why.
What? Whisked away or whipped away?
We should beat Crucial Dip up while he's gone. Just beat his ass. I'll throw my spear in his face. Oh, he's down.
Just keep resing him.
Pearson kept fucking shooting him with his goddamn bow. Oh, it's in his forehead. Get up, bitch. I said you could get out.
Oh, it says I need sleep.
For being a pussy.
I don't know, it's blinking. I don't fucking care.
Oh no, we killed him,
You killed him, bitch. I didn't do shit.
You're the last one that shot him. What do you mean I killed him? You killed him.
Who killed me? That was me. You just beat the look at me, I'm fucking hanging from a post. Look what you done did.
I think it was Big Boy Gaming that killed you.
Hey, shut
I
the
watched
fuck
it.
up.
What it seemed like.
Bitch.
How about this? I'll
Give me
just
my
come knock the
fucking
fuck out of
chicken.
everybody and be done with it.
Chasing like
Y'all
a fucking
getting
chicken.
an ass
trying to
whooping.
get
Y'all
it.
are all involved.
There's 3 of us, pussy.
Don't maybe turn on God mode and start running at you.
Back, bitch. Get his ass, Pearson.
What the fuck, bro?
Get him, Pearson. Bitch.
Bitch.
Get away from me, pussy.
Hey, looks like I got Kelvin over here.
You know what? You know what?
Nope.
Back here, bitch.
Yeah.
Get
We
back here, bitch. Get his ass, Stacy. No, wait. Do I only have 1 cartridge?
I don't know.
Stacy, bitch.
He tried. I heard it.